What's up, everybody? Welcome to my bathroom. Not much to see here, but what you are going to see here today is me cleaning and restoring this bag that I got. So this is the bag. This is a vintage Kate Spade. I found it at the thrift store today for a great price. And as you can see, it's in pretty damn good condition. I love the shape of it, love the hardware. It's got this nice strap. Everything is pretty good, except you'll see she's a little dirty. We're basically just gonna go ahead and get her back together, clean her up a little bit, and she'll be good as new. The main areas I'm gonna be focusing on are these light stains that are right here on the front. And then looking at the hardware, see some of that nastiness right there. We're just gonna go ahead and clean this up. What we're gonna end up doing is we're actually gonna soak this bag in the sink here, and I've got some detergent here, and I'll show you the other materials that I have in a second. But basically, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to use some soap, some scrubbing. This is a cloth bag, which is really good, so we should just be able to scrub a lot of this off. With this hardware here, we should just be able to like kind of wipe it down. So again, we've got our bag here. And what we're gonna be using to clean it off with today, we're gonna be cleaning it in the sink. I've got a little bit of laundry detergent. This is just regular powdered detergent here. You don't need a lot because the bag isn't that big and it's concentrated, so we don't need a whole bunch. I'm just gonna use some old school methods. Got a toothbrush to get into those fine corners here. Scrub it in like that. And then I'm not gonna be using the new butt cleaner, but rather the scrubbing brush that is on top here. Because it's got some nice bristles, really get in there and be able to scrub in circles and get some stuff done. I just went ahead and filled my sink with hot water, and I've already poured detergent in, so we've got a nice little set going on here. And I've taken the straps off the bag, and we're just going to completely submerge the bag into the water. And we're really just gonna let that kind of sit. We're gonna let that sit and pre-soak a little bit, get it nice and saturated. I'm gonna add a little bit more hot water. And we'll let that sit for a few minutes. Now, I'm going to take my scrubbing brush here. I'll take the brush. And then I'm going to take the toothbrush that I have and get really within the ridges. That's gonna show you all this nasty ass water. Like, that is what came off this bag. If there's ever an advocacy video for cleaning your items from the thrift store, this is it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and give her a good deep rinse, let her dry out, and let's see what the finished product is. All right, brief change of scenery, but I want y'all to see something. Look how I'm rinsing out the bag in the tub now, and look at how much water this bag is holding, and it's not leaking. Like, look at that. That's actually, I think, the mark of a really good quality bag. It's holding water and it is not dripping or leaking. Okay, good to know. And it goes without saying, the last thing I did was put it in the dryer, but I did not account for how loud the dryer was gonna be. So, yeah, we'll see how annoying that gets. I give it 30 minutes. Thankfully, it only took 30 minutes. And here is the finished product. As you can see, no stains. All of them are gone. We even got that growtiness off of the hardware. It looks great. And added bonus, it smells good too.